I started thinking to myself, I want to change my cabin filter, but then I started realizing, where is the cabin filter? When it comes to a 2016 through 2019 Chevy Cruze, the cabin filter is pretty much hidden. First thing we need to do is let's get the hood open. Okay, let's check under the hood. I would assume the cabin filter is pretty much easy to get to. We're gonna have to probably look around a little bit. I'm just messing around with everybody. I know where the cabin filter is. It's actually hidden in here. It's a pain in the butt to get to, but this video is going to make it easy for you to get to because I'm going to show you how to do everything. Time to engage the Dave cam. First thing you want to do is pull this side panel out. Then you want to pull this side panel off. Drop the glove box door, pull this panel off. You want to grab yourself a 7mm, and you're going to have 4 bolts holding the glove box housing, and there's one underneath. This piece also comes off by removing 1 bolt on the side. Be careful because there are clips that can break. Now once you remove all of those, this will slide out. You have clips holding this as well. Okay, once you drop this out of the way, your cabin filter is hidden in here. You have little clips on each side. Once you pop them down, you can pull the filter out. Okay, so what I like to do is take a pick, put it in and sort of hook it, and that'll pull the filter right out. Thanks for liking and subscribing, everyone. Talk to you later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.